Friday night across Milton Keynes, and we continue in the mix on MKFM. Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM, for those of you who've not been here before, and today I'm opening up some fresh DJ kit that I've been buzzing to get my hands on. I've just got hold of this. It's the SanDisk Rekordbox dual USB flash drive for DJs. No freebies, no sponsors. I bought this myself. Alpha Theta, I am looking at you. Come on. I can tell you exactly what's in the box, honestly, what you get for your money, and I'll give it a spin. All honest review. All right, let's crack it open. So straight out of the box, here's what you get. Obviously the USB drive itself is nice and compact, feels like it's built solid. It's got both USB-C and USB-A connectors, perfect if, like me, you're juggling a newer laptop with USB-C ports and CDJs, controllers and mixers with the original USB-A ports all in the same night. Also, there's a bonus 3-month Rekordbox creative plan as well. Be careful with this though, because you need to claim it online with a new Rekordbox account before the end of 2026. And there's some small print as well about encryption and the SanDisk app for password protection and backup. I'll test that a little bit later too. So this one's the 512GB version, plenty of space for a good chunk of playlists, edits, backups, you name it. There's also a 1TB version if you want to carry your whole back catalogue and your mates as well, although that can only be purchased through Alpha Theta's website directly. The 512 version that I've got here you can pick up from Alpha Theta's website or directly from SanDisk, which is what I did. Using the affiliate link I've dropped into the video description helps support me and the channel with no extra costs for you to pay. So if you want to pick one up, please consider using that link in the description. All right, let's see how this does in the real world. So I'm going to plug it in, fire up Rekordbox and export some of my playlists. So for my next set, I'm going to do an 80s electro hip hop mix. Now this playlist, which I've created inside a Rekordbox, has got 106 tracks in it. There are some duplicates, so I need to go through and clear those, and I haven't set any cue points or memory cues for any of these tunes, but ignoring that for a second, let's just see how well it does at putting on 106 tunes from this single playlist onto the memory stick. So I'm just going to use the sync option, bottom left corner. I'm not going to wait for the iTunes library to load, so let me cancel that out. Top right corner, what device do I want to use? So it's just called USB at the moment. I would like to rename that. Synchronize playlists with a device. Convert to library, device library plus. Yep, 100%. Switch that again. USB, 80s electro hip hop. Going to click sync, and down the bottom you'll see the progress. So there we go, exporting. One of these is the old format of library and one is the new device plus. So I'm already happy with that because that is a lot faster than my usual SD card or any of my USB sticks actually. So that's good to see. Okay, first impressions, pretty impressed if I'm honest. The transfer speeds are exactly what I'd hoped for. Really quick syncing, no lag, even with big playlists. and the dual connector is an absolute lifesaver, honestly. That's why I actually bought it. I'm swapping between my MacBook's USB-C ports and then the decks, and even MKFM's computer here, they all have USB-A ports. So I'm always faffing about looking for my little converter dongle thingy. That is the correct term, by the way, so don't get all salty in the comments and come for me on the name. I actually got to the radio station last week and I forgot to take the little dongle with me. So that's when I said to myself, F it, I'm getting the Rekordbox one. I haven't dived into the encryption stuff yet, so that's probably for another day, but it's nice to know that it's there if you want to lock up, you know, your secret DJ weapons on your USB sticks. So that's the SanDisk Rekordbox dual USB flash drive for DJs, unboxed and in action for the first time. If you're thinking about grabbing one, please consider using my affiliate link in the description. It does not cost you anything extra, but it does help me keep these videos rolling for you. I'm going to go try out the Rekordbox Creative Plan next, so stay tuned and I'll do a video demonstrating how to use the edit feature in Rekordbox. You can do that for free, and I've done it before, but with the creative plan I'll now be able to actually save my edits, which I've not been able to do before. So again, looking forward to that. I don't like paying for subscription services, so whether I keep the creative plan or not remains to be seen. Spoiler, I'm too tight with money, so I probably won't, and I still need to recoup the money I spent on the CDJ3000s and DJM A9 mixer, because honestly that broke the bank. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, drop a comment, we can have a conversation about it, and don't forget to subscribe for more DJ tips, tricks and mixes. I'm DJ Hurley from MKFM, and until next time, keep spinning, stay creative, and I'll see you in the mix.